Sometimes there's only so much to go around. Whether it's tickets to a show or seats to a workshop, avoid frustrating participants by using Quota Management to retire options that are no longer available. To apply Quota Management on a specific question, hover over it and click More, then set Answer Quota. Select an answer option and provide the total responses allowed. Say 10 seats are available in the workshop. Then choose what should happen once the limit is met. You may choose to remove the option from the list completely, or you may choose to gray out this answer option and provide any explanatory text you like. If you are building a multilingual survey, you will see text fields for each language. Set quotas on each of the answer options you need to limit, then save and return to Designer. You'll see this icon to let you know Quota Management has been applied. As responses come in, you'll be setting the right expectations with participants and save yourself plenty of follow-up headaches. Quotas managed with Sogo Survey.